Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through my temporary desk setup. Over the last 6 months I have not had a proper desk setup, and for the next 6 weeks this is where I'm going to be working, so I'll show you. We'll start off with a pretty comfortable chair. It's a no-brand chair. I have an adjustable standing desk that can be pushed up and down. Havit mouse with a backup or a travel mouse when I need to move around. Here's where I keep my DJI mic, which I'm using to record this. I have a 3-screen setup, but I usually find that 2 is enough. On one of the screens I keep my productivity tracking on the right, where I can track everything and set up my Pomodoros, as well as the stock chart always open and mostly on the Bitcoin chart. Also keep my notes beside my keyboard, long-term strategy and notes, daily scribble and tasks. I try to pick 3 tasks for each day to work on from this list. This is my Logitech K860 mouse. I'll put in all the tech specs in the description. Very comfortable split keyboard that I got as a gift actually from one of my closest friends. Also have a whiteboard handy. I love having whiteboards. This is a quick calculation I did to see my work capacity for the next 6 weeks. Turns out it's going to be about 180 hours, working 5 days a week and aiming to do 6 productive hours per working day, which doesn't seem like a lot, but the average worker has about 3 productive hours in an 8-hour workday. So 6 hours of productivity is actually very high. You'll get a lot done, and this is based on the principles of deep work. So I do switch off my phone, eliminate all distractions when I work, and I try to get into the flow as much as I can. On the side here I have my food and drinks area. Try never to put that beside the computer, just too much of a mess. I've dropped things far too frequently. Also have a large screen set up here in case I want to watch something or put in some white noise or have a working session with someone. There's also the leg rest, again in case I want to watch something. It's a very nice room with some light aesthetic and some art. There's a comfortable spot if I want to nap or do anything. It's a very quiet neighborhood around, not a lot of noise, some greenery here also for the vibe. Yeah, thank you for my walkthrough. I'll put in more details in the description. Thank you for joining my